In this module, we'll focus on the second content pillar, give. Now, obviously, if you haven't watched the first video in this trio on the grow category, watch that first as it introduces the content pillars we're learning here. So you've piqued their interest, right? You've asked them on a date and they said yes. So what needs to happen to get them to buy from you or accept your proposal? They need to trust you. They need to know, like, and trust you. So how do we do that? Again, simple. Give value, ask for nothing in return. You aren't asking for a follow here. Sometimes, yeah, it's appropriate to ask for a follow or a comment or even for them to save the video, but it's not in the script, okay? Not for these types of videos. The main goal we're striving for is retention and natural action. We want to make our video so valuable to them that they watch the entire thing and they naturally want to bookmark, comment, or share it without us asking. So instead of shocking them, asking them to follow, then providing value, we're just coming out straight with the value, okay? Jam it down their throats, okay? Give them what they desire and ask for nothing in return. And you may think, but this might attract a large audience. Don't we want to capitalize on that and get them to follow us? Shouldn't we ask them? No. And that's the big difference here. When we made content in the grow category, we made it specifically for people who have never heard of us or have heard of us but still haven't followed us. This is different. This give content is for people who have followed us. It's for people who have made that initial commitment to us, and it speaks volumes when you give freely without making it a transaction, okay? So let's go back to our soulmate. Give yourself freely to your partner without any expectation or reciprocation is the fastest way to achieve trust and foster love, right? We know this. So in our content, give them exactly what they want. Make the people that have followed you think these thoughts. I'm glad I followed him or her. Wow, I really needed to hear that. I wish I knew this sooner. This is going to help me so much with XYZ. And eventually the goal is to get them to think, man, if they give away this much for free, their paid content must be insanely valuable. That's the goal. So it's hard to say what value is exactly because every niche is different, but I'm going to play some of my favorite examples of value so that you can really see firsthand what it looks like and what it feels like. Other than the hook, there's no other format. It's hook, then fulfill the promise the hook made. That's it. Hook, then value. So your homework is to draft 3 scripts or even just outlines of 3 videos that you can make that provide straight value. So here's some quick examples just to get that point across. Stuck in the 200 view jail? Here's 3 things to do today to get out of it. List the 3 things, end video. Scared to ask for a promotion? Here's the exact script I used to get my last 3. Can't afford a Valentine's Day gift? Here's 3 free gifts that made my partner weak in the knees. These aren't even masterfully crafted hooks, but I just want to show you that there's nothing else to it. Hook them, immediately fulfill on the promise you made to them in that hook. You'll notice that this is similar to the grow category, right? You still want the good hook, but then straight to value. So here's some examples of some that display this perfectly, and take note of how they make you feel as a consumer. Then after these, draft 3 of your own. You do not have to post them, like I said, if you don't want, but write down 3 scripts for potential videos in the give category. Here's some examples.